Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a review on these two products. So I was like, I totally want to check it out, see if it works, and do a review on it for you guys so you know if it works or not. And if you look at my makeup right now, I'm done with everything except for the mascara. That's why it looks kind of off, at least for me. Maybe you can tell, but I can totally tell because I don't wear anything on my lashes. The first one is this L'Oreal Paris Intense Volume Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. And the mascara claims to give you spectacular long lashes, and that is a pleasure to apply. It says here on the back that 90% of the women, they have asked like 107 women to try this, and out of those, 90% saw intense and volumized lashes, and about 98% saw a lengthening effect, and 79% felt supple lashes. So yeah, it seems to be pretty good. And if you look on these pictures, that is right here, as you can tell on the pictures right here, that this is without mascara and this is with the mascara, and that looks pretty darn amazing. Then I saw this primer in the stack right next to it. It claims to give your lashes an even more amazing effect with the primer first and then apply the mascara. The primer says it's a 2-in-1 mascara primer. It boosts volume and length, and the lashes look fortified. 113 women tried this on, and out of those, 83% agreed it gave boosting, volumizing and lengthening effects. I'm sorry that I'm butchering all these pronunciations. And then 81% agreed that it made the lashes look more beautiful, which is good. Like, you want beautiful lashes, like I do at least. Then the lashes look strengthened and fortified. So I mean, that sounds pretty darn amazing to me. No mascara, with the mascara, and with the mascara and primer. And I think that it looks pretty good. I think that it looks like false lashes. The packaging looks really cute. It's really eye-catching. So they're really affordable. They are not too expensive. So I'm going to scooch over so I come really close to the camera. Sorry about this. It's gonna be really close up. First things first, I don't know if you can tell, if you can see my lashes. They are right here. Right here. They are not too long. I don't have really long lashes or anything. They are just regular lashes. And I have already curled them with the eyelash curler, so they are kind of pointing upwards. Just to compare the sides, I'm going to apply a black liner to my tight line, and then I'm going to apply the only mascara to this eye and both mascara and primer on this eye, and we're gonna compare the two sides. Okay, so there I have applied the eyeliner. So now I'm gonna open up this mascara. And first of all, the packaging is rose gold, which is like my favorite color, or one of my favorite colors. So really excited about that. It's a very soft brush and very big actually. It's pretty thick. It's like bigger than the brushes I usually go for. And I feel like this would definitely make my lashes clump together. So we'll see. It does go on really smooth, actually. And it does not make my eyelashes clump together. That's a surprise. I don't know if it's like any different from when I apply regular mascara, or like a mascara that's not like this. Usually I go for Maybelline or my, what's it called, like Million Lashes. But I really like it. I'm very surprised that it does not make my lashes clump together. Or they do kind of clump together, but like a good clump. It just makes my lashes look really full. I don't know if you can tell, or if you can see anything. Obviously the girl in the picture has a lot more, or a lot longer lashes than I do. But so far so good. I really like them. Kind of gives me the same feel that I would feel with one of my regular mascaras. So according to this, the primer will make my lashes look even better. So let's see. Again, really cute packaging. This has white with rose gold details. So it still looks really good. And now let's apply the mascara, or the primer. It feels like it's curling my lashes while I'm applying it, so they like go more upward. Like, kind of like a mascara, but even more. My lashes look longer. Okay, no idea how that happened. Let's go over with the regular mascara, or the mascara that came with it. Can you see that? It actually, I would say that the primer totally works. But whoa, it totally made a difference. I feel that once I applied the primer, the mascara went on so much smoother, so it did not clump together as much, and it felt like the lashes got like longer. I don't know even how to explain that. I don't know the logic between that. It totally feels different. Like with the primer, it totally feels different. It feels like it's better than one of my regular mascaras. Oh, and by the way, the applicator on the primer looks like this. It's the same hard material, but it's smaller and it looks more like a regular mascara brush. I actually feel a difference between the eyes. Can you tell? I'm just gonna let you stare at me for a while. It feels so awkward sitting this close to the camera. If you have really long lashes, like naturally, then this mascara will definitely make your lashes look like this, like false lashes. I do not have that long lashes, so for me it just helped to boost the volume and really made them like more dramatic, more intense. I would say that the primer really did help the mascara stick onto the lashes and help them separate so they wouldn't clump together. And that's why I felt like my lashes were getting longer. It does increase and boost volume and make them look more intense if you use both the mascara and the primer. If you don't want to get both the mascara and the primer, that's totally fine. You can just get the mascara and it will make your lashes look really good. But I don't know if it's like any difference to a regular mascara, because personally I don't feel like it did any difference. But if you would like to get something extra and make your lashes look even more amazing, then I would really recommend the primer. However, that is a wrap for today's video. I totally am sweating like crazy. These lights get so hot and the sun has been shining in through my window all day that I even opened the window. So by the way, if you hear any chickens or birds, it's just because the chicken coop is outside and I have opened the window and I need to drink some water. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would like me to do a review on any other products, then let me know in the comments what they are and I will try to check as many out as I can. And a little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun videos coming up soon. And while you're at it, maybe you just want to check out my social networks. I'll put everything in the description bar below. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!